Today I'm going to show you exactly how to save a voice message from Telegram to your device quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll be able to keep those important voice notes, precious memories, or useful audio clips right where you can access them anytime, even outside the Telegram app. Whether it's a friend's instructions, a sweet message, or a business memo, you won't have to worry about losing that audio again. Let's get started. Imagine you're in a Telegram chat and someone's just sent you an audio message. Maybe it's a voice memo from a friend explaining plans for the weekend, or perhaps a quick brainstorming idea from a coworker. First, you'll want to locate that specific voice message in your chat history. Sometimes it helps to just scroll until you find the right one and make sure that's the one you want to save. Once you found it, here's what you'll do. Move your mouse over the voice message. You'll notice some extra options pop up near the message when you hover. Now, using your mouse, just right-click directly on the audio message. A small menu will appear with a list of choices. One of those options is Download. Go ahead and click on Download. You may see your browser or Telegram itself start to prompt you about where the file will be saved, or it might just go straight into your default Downloads folder, depending on your settings. Either way, this step is super important because it brings the audio file out of Telegram and into your local storage, so you're not relying on the app to access it anymore. Think of it like moving a favorite song from a streaming service onto your own device. You now have a physical copy. If for some reason you don't see Download as an option, don't worry, there's a handy alternative. After right-clicking on the audio message again, look for the option that says Forward. Click on Forward, and you'll be prompted to choose where you want to send the message. Here's the trick. Search for saved messages. This is basically your personal space on Telegram, a private chat with yourself where you can store anything you want for easy access later. Send the voice message to your saved messages. It's a bit like bookmarking a web page or saving a file in a special folder. It's still on Telegram, but in your own private vault where you can find it quickly anytime you need it. Don't worry if these steps feel new or a bit unfamiliar. It's totally normal the first few times. If downloading doesn't seem to work, double-check that you're right-clicking on the actual voice message, not just the chat bubble or elsewhere in the window. And if your downloads folder feels crowded, you can always move the audio file to a more organized spot on your computer later. So, with just a right-click and a couple of quick options, you can either download your Telegram voice message directly to your device or forward it straight to your saved messages for safekeeping. This way, whether you want to listen offline, back up important conversations, or simply keep cherished memories, you're fully in control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about saving Telegram messages, or there's another feature you'd like to learn, drop a comment below. I'm here and happy to help. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.